These are the 6 steps to every XLOOKUP formula. To start, I'm going to type $XLOOKUP and press the Tab key to autocomplete the formula. The lookup value is the first input, and this is the value that you want to look up and return more information about. In this example, we're looking up this customer ID. So I'm going to arrow key up to select it and press comma to move on to the next input. The lookup array is the next input. And this is the range of cells where you're going to search for the lookup value. And in this case, it's cells I3 through I19, so I'm going to highlight those with my mouse. And press comma. Return array is the next input. And XLOOKUP requires a lookup value, a lookup array, and a return array in order for the formula to work. And the return array is the range of cells that contain the value that you want to return. In this case, we want product name, so I'm going to highlight these cells H3 through H19. And before I close parentheses and press enter, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you hit thumbs up. It's a great way to help out my channel. Thank you so much. So when I close parentheses and press enter, the XLOOKUP scans the lookup array and returns the corresponding value in the return array. So now I'm going to enter a customer ID that's not in my dataset for the lookup value. And XLOOKUP returns #NA when the value is missing. And this leads me to the fourth input of XLOOKUP, if not found. And in this input, you can type a string, so missing customer, and XLOOKUP returns the string in the if not found input when the lookup value is missing from your dataset. The next input is search mode, and this allows XLOOKUP to return items in a different order. I'm going to change the lookup value back to what it was previously. And when I take this formula and apply a search mode of -1, XLOOKUP returns the product name associated with the last instance of this customer ID. When you do not specify the search mode, XLOOKUP defaults to 1, which returns the data associated with the first instance of the lookup value. And the final input is match mode, which specifies the match type. XLOOKUP defaults to 0, which means an exact match where Excel returns #NA if it does not find the exact value. With a match type of -1, if XLOOKUP doesn't find an exact match, the formula returns the next smallest item. In this case, a 1% discount associated with $250 spent. With a match mode of 1, if XLOOKUP doesn't find the exact value, the formula returns the next largest item. In this case, a 1.5% discount associated with $500 spent. If you still want to learn more, check out my full XLOOKUP tutorial that walks you step by step through even more examples of how to get the most out of this formula. Please leave a comment and let me know how else can I help you with Excel. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.